Due to the long weekend for students, I have given 2 double-sided worksheets to review over the 4 days. Maya spends 13 minutes eating breakfast, 8 minutes getting dressed, and 4 minutes brushing her teeth. If she finishes all of these steps at 12:04, what time did she start? I'm right away going to draw a number line and write 12:04 at the end because that's when she finishes. Now I'm going to add up my minutes. 13 and 4 gives me 17, plus 8 more gives me 25. I don't know the start time, so we know if we go backwards, we're going to have to subtract. However, I noticed that my hour is going to change. The first thing we do is we jump back 4 minutes. So I just jumped back 4 of my 25 minutes, so I still have 21 minutes left to jump back. If I'm jumping back here 21 minutes, I now need to subtract from 60 because we have a new hour. There are 60 minutes in an hour. So I see that I am 39 minutes into this hour, which means she started at 11:39. The clock to the right shows what time she leaves home. What time does she leave? So we're reading a clock. We extend out the hour hand and we see it's not yet at the 3. I count by 5s and 1s to find the minutes. 5, 6, 7. She leaves at 2:07 and we will assume it's in the afternoon, p.m. It takes Fatima 17 minutes to go from her home to the market. Use the number line below, which we're not using a number line here, but we can draw our own to show what time she gets to the market. She leaves at 2:07. We don't know what time she gets there, so we're going to add 17 minutes. I know that my hour won't change because when I add 17 plus 7, I get 24. She will get there at 2:24 p.m. On the back it says, at the market, Fatima uses a scale to weigh a bag of almonds and a bag of raisins. What is the total weight of the almonds and the raisins? Now I know this is a little bit difficult to see, but your child can draw in the little lines. We know we're counting forward, 220, 221, 222, 223. I write that. 223 grams. Now we have to find the raisins. Again, add in the little lines. So I know I can just count from 50 also, if that's easier than saying 350, 351. So I'm going to count 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Now it's not just 55, we also have the 3 in the hundreds place. Now to find the total, I would add these two numbers. A milk carton holds 183 milliliters more liquid than a juice box. So I know my milk carton has to be higher than my juice box. If the juice box holds 279 milliliters, what is the total capacity of the juice box and the milk carton? Well, that's a two-step problem because we first have to figure out how much the milk carton is.